Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is my perfect and simple Black Forest no-bake dessert. So let's get started. Hi guys, today what I'm going to show you is my perfect and simple Black Forest no-bake dessert. So I have one box of chocolate graham crackers, 8 ounces of cream cheese that I had at room temperature. I have 3 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of confectionery sugar. So now I'll beat my whipped cream until it forms like a soft peak, and then I'll add in my 1 cup of confectionery sugar. You'll mix this until it forms a stiff peak. That's perfect. So now I'll leave this off to the side. I'll mix my cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, then I'll add it into the whipped cream. Now I'll turn off my mixer. I'll add a little of the mixture into my whipped cream. I'll add a little at a time. Blend it all together. Now I'll take a little of this mixture, spread it on the bottom of my pan. I'm using a 13 by 9 baking dish, and the reason why I'm putting a little mixture on the bottom is when I place my graham crackers on top, that they stay in one spot. You'll also need 16 ounces of Maraschino cherries. I drain them and I also dice them up. So you can see the first layer of graham cracker. This way here they stay put on the bottom. Now I'll place some cherries inside my mixture. I'll take about a cup of this topping away for the top. So it'll be 1 cup that I'm going to leave off to the side. Okay, now the rest of this I'm going to place the whole jar inside my mixture. Now I'll mix it. Okay, I'll take this mixture, place it on top, and then start layering it like lasagna. So I'll just spread it on top of the graham crackers. That's perfect. So now I'll put another layer of graham cracker on top. Here's what the second layer looks like. Now I'll place some more of this mixture on top of my graham cracker. So here's the second layer. Now I'll do another layer of graham cracker. So that's the third layer of graham crackers. And you'll need 1 14.4 ounce of graham crackers. So this is the last layer of mixture. I'll spread it around. And that's the last layer. And that's why I call this my perfect and simple Black Forest no-bake dessert. Now for the top, I placed aside that 1 cup of the whipped cream and cream cheese mixture. So now I'll place this on top. And there's what the top looks like. Now I'll put some saran wrap on this and place this in my fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. Now that I have the saran wrap on top, into the fridge it goes. So I placed it on my bottom shelf. Out of this 14.4 ounce box of graham crackers, this is what I have left. So I used like 2.5, because 3 of them come in here. Now that this perfect and simple Black Forest no-bake dessert has been in my fridge for an hour, I'm going to take some chocolate and just grate it on top. Now you can see all the grated chocolate on top. I'll put the saran wrap back on and place this back in my fridge for another 2 hours. Now I took the dessert out of my fridge. Now I'll cut a slice. And this is what the inside of it looks like. Now doesn't that look good? Well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and this is my perfect and simple Black Forest no-bake dessert. Enjoy!